Ever wondered which chocolate is healthier, dark or white? It's a question that has puzzled many a chocolate lover. Is the creamy, smooth taste of white chocolate worth the extra calories? Or does the rich, bold flavor of dark chocolate trump all with its health benefits? Today, we're diving deep into the world of chocolate, exploring the differences between these two indulgent treats. From the cacao trees of South America to the bustling chocolate factories of Europe, we'll be dissecting what goes into each type of chocolate, the ingredients that make them so irresistible, yet so distinctly different. We'll explore the health benefits and drawbacks of each, from the antioxidant-rich dark chocolate to the sugar-laden white chocolate. We'll uncover the facts and debunk the myths, all in the name of helping you make an informed choice the next time you find yourself in the candy aisle. Stay tuned to find out more about these two delectable delights. Both dark and white chocolate come from the cacao bean, but what's inside them varies greatly. Let's unwrap the ingredients of these two delightful treats. Starting with dark chocolate, it's a rich tapestry woven from cacao beans. Now these aren't just ordinary beans, they're packed with a bunch of good stuff. We're talking about flavonoids, antioxidants, and a hint of caffeine for that little pick-me-up. The high percentage of cacao in dark chocolate, often above 70%, means it's brimming with these beneficial compounds. But wait, there's more. Dark chocolate also contains less sugar than its white counterpart, striking a balance between the bitter notes of cacao and the sweet melody of sugar. On the flip side, we have white chocolate. It's a creamy concoction derived from the same cacao bean but with a twist. The cacao content in white chocolate is significantly lower, as it's made from cacao butter instead of cacao solids. This means it misses out on the flavonoids and antioxidants found in dark chocolate. But don't be too quick to judge. White chocolate has its charm. It's rich in milk, which adds a smooth, velvety texture and a gentle sweetness. However, this also means it's higher in sugar and fats, which can add up if you're watching your intake. And then, there's the wildcard ingredient in both, sugar. While it's true that both dark and white chocolate contain sugar, the amount and impact vary. Dark chocolate, with its higher cacao content, typically contains less sugar. White chocolate, on the other hand, compensates for its lack of cacao with more sugar, making it a sweeter but less nutrient-dense option. So it's clear that the ingredients in these two types of chocolate are vastly different. Dark chocolate and white chocolate, two sides of the same cacao bean, each with their unique blend of ingredients and flavors, each offering a different taste experience. But what does this mean for your health? Dark chocolate is not just a sweet treat, it's packed with surprising health benefits. Let's start with its impressive antioxidant profile. Dark chocolate is loaded with organic compounds that function as antioxidants, including polyphenols, flavonols, and catechins. These powerful substances help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to cell damage and diseases such as cancer. Now let's move on to the heart. It turns out that the flavonols found in dark chocolate have a twofold benefit for our cardiovascular system. First, they help to lower blood pressure by improving blood flow. Second, they raise the levels of good HDL cholesterol while decreasing bad LDL cholesterol. Collectively, these effects can help prevent heart disease and stroke, but the benefits don't stop there. Dark chocolate may also improve brain function. You see, the flavonols can stimulate blood flow to the brain, which may aid in cognitive function, particularly in the elderly. There's also some evidence that it can improve brain function in young people. Moreover, the caffeine and theobromine present in dark chocolate can provide a short-term boost to brain function, improving alertness and performance on mental tasks. And for those of you concerned about your skin, you'll be pleased to know that the flavonols in dark chocolate can protect against sun-induced damage, improve blood flow to the skin, and increase skin density and hydration. Lastly, let's not forget about the mood-enhancing effects of dark chocolate. It contains phenylethylamine, a compound that the brain produces when we experience feelings of love. This compound promotes the release of endorphins in our brain, leading to feelings of happiness. So it's clear that dark chocolate offers a whole host of health benefits, from antioxidant properties to heart health, cognitive benefits, and even mood enhancement. And the best part? You get all these benefits from something that tastes so good. It seems that dark chocolate is more than just a guilty pleasure. But what about white chocolate? White chocolate may be a favorite for many, but it's important to consider its health implications as well. When we delve into the world of white chocolate, it's clear that this creamy, sweet treat is a different beast from its darker counterpart. Unlike dark chocolate, white chocolate doesn't contain any cocoa solids, the part of the cocoa bean that carries most of the health benefits. Instead, it's made up of cocoa butter, milk and sugar, lots and lots of sugar. In fact, white chocolate typically contains more sugar than any other type of chocolate. This can lead to problems like tooth decay and contribute to obesity if eaten in excess. It's also worth noting that sugar can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease and type 2 diabetes. While dark chocolate is lauded for its high fiber content and the presence of antioxidants, white chocolate falls short in these areas. The lack of cocoa solids means it doesn't have the same antioxidant properties, nor does it provide the fiber that can aid digestion. Moreover, the high levels of saturated fats in white chocolate, primarily from the cocoa butter, can also raise cholesterol levels. While some amount of saturated fat is necessary for our bodies, too much can increase the risk of heart disease. Now, it's not all doom and gloom for white chocolate lovers. It does contain certain nutrients like calcium and phosphorus, which are beneficial for bone health. However, these are present in relatively small amounts and certainly don't make white chocolate a health food. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoying a piece of white chocolate from time to time isn't going to harm your health, but it shouldn't be a regular part of your diet if you're trying to stay healthy. While white chocolate may not offer the same health benefits as dark, it's still a beloved treat for many. It's all about balance, and understanding what's in the foods we love can help us make better choices for our health. So, when it comes to health, which chocolate takes the crown? We've unwrapped the ingredients of both dark and white chocolate and dived deep into their health benefits and drawbacks. And now it's time to put them head to head and make the ultimate decision. Let's start by comparing their nutritional profiles. Dark chocolate, with its high cacao content, is packed with antioxidants that have been linked to numerous health benefits. On the other hand, white chocolate, stripped of its cacao solids, lacks these beneficial compounds. Now let's talk about sugar. While both dark and white chocolate contain sugar, the sugar content is typically higher in white chocolate. And we all know that a diet high in sugar can lead to a host of health issues, including obesity and type 2 diabetes. In terms of fiber, dark chocolate again comes out on top. The presence of cacao solids means that dark chocolate contains more dietary fiber than its white counterpart. And a high fiber diet can support a healthy digestive system and keep you feeling fuller for longer. But what about fat? Well, both types of chocolate contain fat, mainly from cocoa butter. However, white chocolate tends to have a higher fat content due to the additional milk solids. It's important to note though that not all fats are bad, and the fats in chocolate are primarily monounsaturated and saturated fats, which can be part of a balanced diet. So after weighing all these factors, it's clear that dark chocolate is the healthier choice. It's rich in antioxidants, lower in sugar, and contains more fiber. But let's not forget about taste. After all, chocolate is meant to be enjoyed. And while dark chocolate may be the healthier choice, white chocolate has its own sweet, creamy charm that many people love. So there you have it. Dark chocolate reigns supreme in the health department, but remember, moderation is key. Eating too much of any type of chocolate can lead to weight gain and other health issues. So enjoy your chocolate, dark or white, but always in moderation. In the end, it's all about balance and personal preference. Today we've taken a deep dive into the world of chocolate, uncovering the ingredients that make up our favorite sweet treats, and exploring the health benefits and drawbacks of both dark and white chocolate. Dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants and known for its heart-healthy perks, emerged as a frontrunner for those seeking a healthier option. White chocolate, while delicious and creamy, lacks the cocoa solids that provide these health benefits, making it a less nutritious choice. But remember, moderation is key. Whether you're a fan of the bittersweet dark variety, or you prefer the creamy sweetness of white chocolate, it's important to enjoy these treats in moderation. So the next time you reach for a piece of chocolate, you'll know exactly what you're getting into. Here's to making informed choices and savoring every bite.